Sometimes, instead of creating a state and figuring out how to get the state on another page of your React application, it's sufficient to use the capability of passing state through the API of the React Router library. First, let's consider how to pass some state using the React Router's link component. To do this, it's enough to use the corresponding prop, state. As an argument, we can simply pass an object with predefined key and value you need. In my sample, I'm passing current path name to get information about previous page after navigating. Next, inside the component that is used on the page to which you intend to pass the state, use the React Router's hook, useLocation, which returns us an object that has a state property inside. Next, access the state object with the predefined key. And that's it. We have the value that we previously passed using the link component. In this example, I want to implement a back button. Let's check if our approach works. While we are on the About page, we expect that About page's path name will be passed as the previous page state value to the contact page. Let's check if we will return to the About page if we press the back button. Yes, it works. Then, let's check whether it works for the home page. Great, it works too. And lastly, let's see how we can pass state if we need to navigate with help of the useNavigate hook. Doing this is quite simple. We can just pass the state object inside the navigation options, which we can pass as the second argument inside the navigate function.